Hey guys, this is Chris with Mayhem Photo and Video, and today we're going to play around with some settings in the Tower app. If you go to the settings menu and the user interface, the widgets list is a list of widgets that will actually be displayed in the title bar of your Android tablet. I don't necessarily use these, but if you'd like to, they're available. I use Google Maps as a provider, and I use Hybrid as the map type. Enable map rotation allows you to spin the map while you're editing it. It makes everything really simple in my opinion. Real-time camera footprint displays a purple box where the camera should be facing. I have not got this option to work, so I do not use it. Zoom to fit may be causing you guys some problems. Every time you lay a waypoint on the map with zoom to fit enabled, it will zoom into that waypoint. I find this very annoying, so I leave it unchecked. The unit system is Imperial. I use English as a standard UI, and I also enabled speech output, which announces my telemetry data every 60 seconds. I have all four options for telemetry data selected, so I get as much info read out loud to me as possible. Under warnings, there's several other pieces of information that can be selected to be read out loud from your Solo controller. Keep screen on and lock screen orientation are always good things to have checked as well. Under Advanced Settings, Display Satellite HDOP and Enable Kill Switch are things I keep selected. Also, Altitude Preferences are things that I change before each mission depending on what I'm going to be doing. The 3DR Solo uses UDP as a connection protocol, so make sure you have UDP selected and make sure you're connected to your Solo Wi-Fi.
Connected.
If your GoPro is on the current update, you will need to turn the camera on manually. Once connected to the Solo, you can check out the parameters. There's one parameter that I always change, and it is the last one on the list. Yaw behavior during missions. You can actually set the Solo to look to the return of home or to continue looking where it was during the mission. I always have it face next waypoint, so when it returns home you can still get good footage of the return trip. The two parameters I check before each flight are FS-GCS enable and FS-THR enable. If you plan on flying a waypoint enabled mission, I always set these both to 2. If you're planning on using Solo or Solex, I set these both to 1. Checking these before each mission could save your Solo. Once I click upload and the parameters are saved to the drone, I always click download to make sure that the parameters were saved correctly. I'm going to switch these back to 1 as that is my default setting. Upload parameters to drone, and everything looks good. I'm now going to pull up one of my old missions so I can show you guys how I save missions to the Solo and verify that they've been saved correctly. Once I have the old mission pulled up and verify it's the correct one, I'll press upload mission and wait for the verification.
Waypoint saved to drone. Waypoint saved to drone.
Now it said waypoint saved to drone, but I like to verify. Currently we are in the vehicle editor mode, and we will go up to vehicle data. We'll click on the 3 buttons, and I'm going to click download mission. Now that it says waypoints received from drones, I know that the mission that I had uploaded is the one that is saved in Solo, so I feel like I'm good to fly. After flying each mission, I like to clear the mission from the solo. So I go into Editor, I select all the waypoints, I delete the mission, then I upload the blank mission to the solo. Now I will move back over to Vehicle Data to verify that the solo has no mission saved in its computer. By downloading current mission, after waypoint saved to drone has been displayed and there's no waypoints on the map, you know that the solo's mission plan is clear. And you can safely go back to the Solo and Solex apps without any fear of return to home being in some funny location. Taking a few seconds to complete these steps could prevent a flyaway. If your Solo has mission waypoints saved in it that are miles away from your current home location, and you accidentally activate that mission, your Solo is now heading on a beeline to your old mission plan. If you do not have enough battery to complete the mission, your Solo is gone forever. While in Mission Editor, say if this was a mission that I wanted to save, I would click the three dots in the bottom right of the screen and click Export to File. The option to enter a file name should pop up. If you click OK and it says File Saved, you're good to go. If you do get an error here, it could be because of your file permission settings in your Android system. You'll have to go into your system settings and verify that the Tower app has permission to save and write data. A workaround that I have found would be going into File Manager, going into your main data folder, and verifying that the Tower folder is in the main folder. As you can see, my Tower folder does exist. If your Tower folder does not exist, create a new folder called Tower, and inside of it create a folder called Parameters and a folder called Waypoints. If you are able to create the folders, once you're back in the Tower app, you should be able to save missions. If you are unable to create a folder, that means your permission settings are holding you back, and you will have to find the setting in your specific Android system that is preventing you from writing data to the folder. While we're on the subject, I'm going to show you guys a couple of the apps that I used in my daily flights. DU Recorder is a great screen grabbing utility free on the Play Store. It is what I'm using to make the videos that you're watching right now. Another amazing app has been DropSync. This is a paid app found in the Play Store. DropSync has allowed me to sync my Tower, my Solex, my pictures, movies, and my screen grab recorder files all to my PC anytime my tablet is connected to Wi-Fi. Upon returning home, I connect my tablets to Wi-Fi, and any videos, pictures, or anything that had been created are automatically synced to my Dropbox. If I go onto my PC and move the files from my Dropbox folder to the editing folders, it removes them automatically from my tablets, which allows me to have all the free space that I need each time I go out on a mission, and I never have to worry about storage. Another benefit of this program is if you're flying multiple solos and multiple tablets, you can create a mission on one tablet, sync it, and then download the mission on the second tablet so it is available to use on all of your solos. This video was just a general overview of the Tower app and some of the options that it has inside. Stay tuned to the next video on how to actually edit a mission. And if you liked the video or it helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.